What does restrict means on Instagram, or what does restrict mean on Instagram? Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel. I'm gonna show you all you need to know. So this is Instagram, right? So if I click on the three dotted icon, you're gonna see the restrict. A whole lot of you guys don't really know much about what will happen when you restrict someone on Instagram, right? Now on Instagram, restrict allows you to limit someone's interaction with your profile and contacts without fully blocking them, right? Hiding their comments and direct messages from others and preventing them from seeing when you're online, while you can still see their content and they can still follow you, right? Now when it comes to the interaction, when you restrict someone, their comments on your post become hidden from everyone except you, right? And you can choose to approve or delete them. Then when it comes to the message request, direct messages from restricted users will be moved to your message request folder and you won't receive notifications from them unless you choose to view the message, right? Then when it comes to limited visibility, the restricted person will be able to see when you're online or if you have read that message. Then for the notifications, you won't receive notifications for their comments or messages unless you choose to view them, right? Unlike blogging, restricting doesn't prevent them from following you or seeing your posts, stories, or reels, right? So they can still follow you and see your content, right? They can send you message, but their messages will be moved to your message request folder, and they can't tag you or mention you or remix your content, right? It's a less confrontational option. Restrict is a softer approach than blocking, right? Allowing you to manage unwanted interactions without fully cutting off someone here on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I'm gonna see you all in the very next video.